This is the project that I have completed at 2:48 a.m. Nearly about midnight. The functionality of the clock which I will describe now is that there are four buttons. The first button is here to go in time setting mode, other is decrement, increment, and that is for alarm settings. The clock is 24-hour clock, and this is for hours, and this is for hours, and this is for minutes. Now I have used 747 ICs. Basically they are the BCD drivers. Now I will like to explain how I will set my time. First I will press the button. Now I will press the increment button, and that is incrementing hours. Now that is decrementing, and incrementing, and so on. Now I will like to set the minutes, and that is incrementing minutes or decrementing minutes. Now that is 4:4. I will set alarm also 4:4. Now check what is the alarm time. 22 hours. Now 4:4. I will set it to 4:5.